Kev just picked me in the FA1.
Yes, sir.
And we're headed out to grab him some Mugen skirts, and I'm not sure the brand, but there's some really aggressive side skirt splitters, and he's actually getting them from some guy that I used to see at Honda Fest, and he's got a filthy build, or previously had a filthy build, because he is parting out. But it's an FA1, and it was a really clean build, and basically he's getting these skirts and the splitters for a complete steal. You want to tell him how much you're getting for?
So the retail price for the side skirt splitters alone is $200, and then I'm pretty sure the Mugen side skirts are what, like $100, $200?
Yeah, yep.
He's selling all 4 pieces for $140. That is a steal and a half.
140, right?
140.
Yeah, dude. You can't beat that deal. I'm pretty sure I spend more on my side skirts alone, and they're in like perfect condition. I mean, I've seen them at shows and they're completely mint. So we're going to pick them up right now out of Norwalk. It's about an hour drive. Just taking a little cruise, and I'll show you guys when we get them. Shout out Crispy Media. H2O coming very soon. Hopefully I could get in that pre-screening, yo.
Oh, for real? That'd be so sick.
Dude, I know.
See you there.
Yup.
At that white FA5.
Yup. I don't know if you guys heard him, but Kev's car actually like backfires a decent amount. So maybe one day I will get like a secondary tune for the SI and have like a crackle tune, because I'm not gonna lie, it sounds pretty dope. I know in order to get that tune you probably gotta dump. Oh, I think you got it pretty good right there. Yeah, you guys definitely, there's no way that you didn't hear that. But yeah, I'd probably just make it a secondary tune, because I know in order to get those kind of pops, or like louder pops, you got to dump a good amount of fuel, obviously, in order to get that spark. So I wouldn't make it a primary tune or anything. It would just kind of be maybe like a show tune or something. So guys, the guy's car that we're getting these side skirts off of and the splitters has a gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous FT2 converted FA1. I remember seeing this one at Honda Fest, and it was definitely one of my favorite builds. He doesn't have the wheels that he used to have on, but I'll show a picture of him. But wow. And then he's got the red interior, and if you guys can see, he's got the bride right there too. And this is the rear end, guys. I got the same taillights, and I got the Voltex diffuser just like him, but I need the trunk still. But wow, this is getting me so excited for the FD conversion.
Oh,
He's got the HFP mats, the red carbon fiber dash, which is gorgeous, airlift system, and same thing in the rear. All carbon, more carbon, and then you got the whole airlift setup back here. Sheesh, guys, this car is absolutely goals, literally goals. And he's got the Voltex diffuser, guys, same diffuser that we're about to be rocking. It looks so good. It looks really good with the HFP lip. I got the FD2 rear lip, but honestly, I don't know, the HFP one looks really good. And he's got the hybrid side views, which look beautiful. And these are the side skirts that Kevin is grabbing right now. If his car was this color, the paint is mint. So unfortunately, he is silver. And these splitters are beyond aggressive.
There he goes.
Ah, there she is. There she is, boys. So guys, we just got back. The skirts are inside and Kev's gonna take them home. Just dropped me off at the crib. So basically that about wraps it up for tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the build, that clean FA1 build. That guy's car was filthy. Definitely one of my favorite builds that I've seen personally. And yeah, unfortunately he did just crack the block on that car, and that is why he's parting out as of right now. So that's pretty sad. Yeah, definitely really unfortunate. He only had 110K on that car, but I guess he pushed it pretty hard.
Yeah.
And he had to say rest in peace to the R18. But everyone say peace out to Kev. Excited for the skirts?
Dude, I'm hella hyped on it. I just have to get them painted because I can't go around with a multicolored car.
Yep, exactly. And got a steel on them, so hopefully that'll save you some money for the paint too, you know?
100%.
So, but there they are, guys. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Peace out, fam.